Hello, my name is Francesca Vallejo, and this is my PowerPoint presentation on analyzing mass media and popular culture. So some brief magazine details about the magazine that I chose. It was Cosmopolitan, released February 2019, volume 266, number 2. So Cosmopolitan's target audience. So this magazine is mainly targeted towards women, usually between the ages of 18 to 40. And some of their interests might be in fashion, beauty, health and fitness, sex and dating life, and pop culture. So let's take a deeper look into the advertisements. So advertisement number 1 is the Olay clay stick masks. This is targeted for pretty much all females, regardless of age. Who doesn't want healthy skin? So this advertisement promotes that healthy looking skin. They have the picture of the model that is wearing the different types of masks that Olay is providing in this advertisement. She looks happy. Her face looks clear. So that's what they're trying to promote there. We have advertisement number 2, which is the new Maybelline, I believe it's Color Sensational lipstick. This image is showing diversity, which is something that I love. It's showing the targeted audience that this lipstick is good for all skin tones, all races. It's showing inclusivity. We have advertisement number 3 and 4, which is Dove Body Wash and Maybelline Brow Pomade. So for the Dove advertisement, this can also be targeted to their audience between the ages of 18 to 40. It is promoting having smoother skin and protecting your skin. The Maybelline Brow Pomade is targeted towards the younger groups, mainly women in their early 20s, promoting a long-lasting waterproof and matte pomade, stating that it will last up to 24 hours. We have advertisement number 5 and 6, which is the Clinique Skin Hydrator and the Essie Nail Polish. So the Clinique Skin Hydrator is targeted towards women who suffer with pores, uneven skin tone, lines and wrinkles, and even fatigue. This is promoting healthy and hydrating looking skin. The Essie Nail Polish is for all women, and it is promoting new serene colors. So probably these colors are made to promote the feelings of relaxation and tranquility. And now we have advertisements 7 and 8, which is the Clarins Double Serum and the Ralph Lauren fragrance. So again, the Clarins Skin Serum is focused on promoting smoother and firmer skin. So now this looks like it's targeted towards the older audience who are suffering with maybe skin problems related to aging. This is an anti-aging serum. So the Ralph Lauren fragrance is targeted towards women that is leading them to believe that the scent in this perfume enhances romantic feelings, hence the picture of the woman being embraced by this attractive man. Now we have advertisements number 9 and 10, which is Hydroxycut Ultra Lean and the Aveeno shampoo and conditioner. So the Hydroxycut is a weight loss supplement. This promotes looking and feeling good about yourself, reaching your ideal weight and body size. It's interesting how they promote this by having an attractive and skinny model with a quotation stating that she loves how she looks and feels. For the Aveeno shampoo and conditioner, this is promoting an all-natural ingredient that helps nourish your hair. So it's promoting having healthy hair. So now we can see a trend starting to show. So a lot of these advertisements in the magazine is showing, the audience ways to have better skin, healthier looking skin, great hair. Now with this Hydroxycut weight loss supplement, how to look good, look skinny. So there's this trend starting to show. So next we have advertisement number 11 and 12, which is Tampax and Chapstick. So the Tampax advertisement is directed towards females probably in the ages between 18 and 30 or women who have not hit menopause. This is promoting a strong leak guard to prevent any leakage and also a smooth removal of the tampon itself. The Chapstick advertisement is promoting nourished and vitamin-enriched lips for both morning and nighttime application. So advertisements 13 and 14 is the Biore Witch Hazel and the Vita Fusion. So the Biore advertisement is focused on clearing out any pores on your face and having a better looking complexion. This can easily grab the attention of females since it has to do with having better skin that's free of pores. The Vitafusion advertisement has to do with increasing energy, metabolism, and bone support in women. They make it clear on the label of the bottle in bold, stating women's, that this is only for women. So here you can tell that this magazine knows that it's directed towards women, hence having that Vitafusion bottle stating that it's for women. So advertisements 15 and 16 is the Kylena and the Always Maxi Pads. The Kylena advertisement is based on a contraceptive called an IUD that is a substitute for taking birth control pills. They are suggesting that this is a preferred method to birth control since it is easy to forget to take the pill. The image they chose to use for the advertisement is quite funny because the girl looks like she is surprised or scared that maybe she forgot to take her birth control pill, suggesting to the audience that the Kylena is better than taking birth control pills. The Always Maxi Pads is again targeted towards women who still have their menstrual cycle. These pads are promoting that they have different types of sizes for their pads and that you can get 20% more coverage for both day and night. Advertisement number 17. This is the final advertisement that we will be analyzing, and it is the Grande Lash MD. This is promoting longer and more lush-looking lashes for females. They also included interesting statistics showing that this mascara works. So that's another thing that I've noticed in the advertisement is that not only the images are grasping the attention of the audiences, but it's also the statistics that they are providing in it. Like 97% see a difference, or 94%, sees their skin getting better. So statistics are really, really important in getting these audiences' attention. And then now for the sociological application. The first sociological concept seen in the advertisement is multiculturalism. Multiculturalism involves the acknowledgement of diverse racial and ethnic backgrounds of different individuals and/or groups. In the Maybelline advertisement, it shows the audience that all races and ethnic colors will look beautiful in the red lipstick they are promoting. So not only in that specific article does it show multiculturalism, but the other advertisements that I previously showed had images of females from all different types of nationalities. The advertisements throughout this magazine caters to women of all races and ethnic backgrounds. The message of this advertisement is that no matter your race, color, ethnicity, you will look beautiful in this red color shade. So the second sociological concept seen in these advertisements is the ideal culture concept. The ideal culture is defined as the norms and values that individuals in society believe should be the idea or the ideal principle to live by. The ideal culture concept can apply to all of these advertisements seen within the magazine. For example, a lot of the models pictured in these advertisements show to have perfect skin, perfect hair, and have that ideal look that would be flattering to all women. We try to achieve this perfect look, and by doing so, we will end up buying these products that will help us achieve this beautiful complexion. And that's where these advertisements are trying to go, is to get the attention of the audience, the females, and get them to buy these products so that they feel like they're looking better and their skin's looking healthier and their hair is healthier as well. The third sociological concept seen throughout these advertisements is the theory of self. The self is our personal experience and personal identity that sets us apart from other people. With this theory of self, we can either choose to love ourselves, hate ourselves, or want to change ourselves. So how does this theory apply to these advertisements? So for example, a lot of these advertisements sell facial care, hair care, and feminine hygiene products. Minus the feminine hygiene products, these advertisements are directed to changing and enhancing our physical attributes that we may not like about ourselves. Like if we have acne, dry skin, fine lines, and wrinkles, there are products advertised stating that these products could eliminate these issues that females may be dealing with. These products give women a sense of hope in achieving better self-confidence about themselves and reaching society's idea of beauty. These advertisements and products being sold can significantly affect a person's perception about themselves and how they should look. So the fourth sociological concept portrayed throughout the advertisements is feeling rules. Feeling rules are norms that have been created by society that display certain emotions that depict either acceptable or desirable feelings depending on the given situation. So the feeling rules can be seen in each of these advertisements as well. These advertisements, through their images, invoke feelings of happiness and satisfaction. By doing so, this shows the consumers that these products work and make an individual feel happy about themselves. The majority of these advertisements are focused on having better skin and hair, so again, focused on appearance. By including models who are smiling, laughing, and happy, gives the audience a visual representation that these products will also give them that same sense of happiness and desired feelings. And lastly, the fifth sociological concept seen in the advertisements is social influence. Social influence, also known as peer pressure, is a type of influence produced by society that can cause individuals to conform so that we can gain acceptance and avoid rejection, disapproval from others. So the beauty and fashion portrayed throughout this magazine and advertisements play a huge role in influencing their audience's behaviors and thoughts. In the advertisements that I have shown, they provide images that are appealing to their targeted audience and in a way influences how they view themselves and what they should look like. Also, with the fashion sections of this magazine, it shows their audience what kind of clothing looks cool and is socially acceptable. By doing so, these images can make their audience want to buy similar clothing to the ones in the picture. Same goes with the advertisements regarding facial and hair treatments. Looking at the images and seeing the purpose behind these advertisements can greatly influence the reader's actions and thoughts about themselves, which can ultimately lead them to buy the products. And this is the reference page, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.